Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue that many Xbox One users face, the dreaded orange light on the power supply. If your Xbox One isn't turning on and you're seeing that stubborn orange light, don't worry, we're going to walk you through the steps to fix it. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what the orange light means. The orange light on your Xbox One power supply usually indicates that it's in standby mode or there's an issue with the power supply itself. Here's what you need to do to fix it. Step 1. Check all your power connections. Make sure the power supply is firmly plugged into the wall outlet and the Xbox One. Sometimes a loose connection can cause the orange light issue. Unplug the power supply from the wall in the Xbox. Wait for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Make sure everything is snug and secure. Next, let's power cycle the power supply. Unplug the power supply from the wall and the Xbox again. Now wait for at least 10 minutes. This allows the power supply to reset itself. After 10 minutes, plug the power supply back into the wall first and then into your Xbox One. If the orange light is still on, try plugging the power supply into a different wall outlet. Sometimes the issue might be with the outlet you're using. Make sure you're plugging directly into the wall and not using a surge protector, as this can sometimes cause issues. Still not working? Inspect your power supply for any signs of damage. Look for frayed wires, cracks, or any other visible issues. If you notice any damage, it's time to replace the power supply. You can purchase a new power supply online or at a local electronics store. Just make sure it's an official Microsoft power supply to avoid compatibility issues. If your power supply looks fine and you're still having issues, let's try resetting your Xbox One. Unplug everything again and wait for a couple of minutes. Then press and hold the power button on the console for 10 seconds. After that, reconnect everything and try powering it on. Alright, those are the steps you can take to fix the orange light issue on your Xbox One power supply. If none of this solution work, you might have a more serious issue with the Xbox One itself, and it could be time to contact Microsoft support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.